Yeah. I turned my kill switch on real quick though.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm stuck.
You're number 2.
Okay, how do we get out of this?
Go ahead, get on the bike.
Fuck.
Okay. Power, power. Power, power.
Oh my god.
Victory screech!
God damn it, John! Oh, fuck.
Can I get a hell yeah?
Ta-da!
Hey, good job not dropping it in the water. That was awesome.
This is how you save your bike. This is also how do we get a bike out?
I got it.
Oh, cool. I didn't hit my kill switch either.
Oh, it's fine.
But I kind of wasn't in the water, so.
The bike didn't go in the water.
Do you need help?